Hello students, today we will solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 quadratic equation of class 10th. Question number 4 is the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. It is given here student the sum of the reciprocals. Reciprocals is it mean? Suppose any number is 2, then its reciprocal will be 1 by 2. Here, the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3 and we have to find his present age. So, we will first suppose that the present age of Rahman is x years and according to question 3 years ago his age will be x minus 3 years and after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 years. And now according to question what is relation is given here? Sum of reciprocals. It means reciprocal of x minus 3 will be 1 upon x minus 3 and reciprocal of x plus 5 will be 1 upon x plus 5 and when we will add these two we will get 1 by 3. Then we will simplify this by taking the LCM. Obviously LCM will be x minus 3 and x plus 5 and we will get in the numerator x plus 5 plus x minus 3 equal 1 by 3. Now this x will add with this x, we will get 2x and 5 minus 3 we will get 2 upon, we will open this bracket x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15 equal 1 by 3. Now after cross multiplication we will get x square plus 2x minus 15 equal 6x plus 6. And when we shift all the terms from right hand side to left hand side, we will get x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equal 0. And when we add or subtract like terms, we will get x square minus 4x minus 21 equal 0. Now we will solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. For that, first we will find the value of a, b and c. Here the value of a, it means coefficient of x square is 1 and the value of b, it means coefficient of x is minus 4 and the constant term c is minus 21. And this is the quadratic formula x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b and c and we will get x equal minus within bracket minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 upon 2 into 1. And after simplification we will get minus minus plus 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 84 upon 2 x equal 4 plus root 100 upon 2 and as we know the square root of 100 is 10 x equal 4 plus minus 10 upon 2. Now first we will take positive sign. We will get x equal 4 plus 10 by 2. It means 14 by 2 which is equal to 7. So the value of x is here 7. After that we will take minus sign. We will get x equal 4 minus 10 upon 2. It means minus 6 upon 2. We will get minus 3. We will reject this answer because x is the age of Rahman and age cannot be negative. So, the Rahman's present age will be 7 years. Question number 5 is, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Student, in this question, in first part, it is given that the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So, first we will suppose that marks in mathematics is x and marks in English be y. And according to question, sum of these marks is 30. So, x plus y equal 30 and from this equation we will find the value of x as 30 minus y plus y. When shift into right hand side we will get 30 minus y. Suppose this one is your first equation. Now according to again question, it is given that had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, and mathematics marks is x, 2 marks more it means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English, and English marks of English is y, so y minus 3, and product of this we will get as 210. Now we will open the bracket and then we will substitute the value of x. The value of x is here 30 minus y, and after simplification we will get 32 minus y into y minus 3 equal 210. Open the bracket, we will get 32y minus 96 minus y square plus 3y equal 210. After simplification we will get 35 y minus y square minus 96 minus 210 equals 0, or when we arrange all this term and when we take minus common we will get y square minus 35y plus 306 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this. Here we are using middle term split method to factorize this, and middle term is your minus 35. How we can break it into two parts? Yes, minus 17y minus 18y. When we will add this we will get minus 35, and when we will multiply this we will get 306. After that we will make groups of two terms, and then we will take common y into y minus 17 minus 18 within bracket y minus 17 equals 0. So first common factor will be y minus 17, and within second bracket we will write remaining terms y minus 18. These are the two factors. Either y minus 17 equals 0, we will get y equals 17, or y minus 18 equals 0, we will get 18. So from 1, now we will get the values of x. X equal 30 minus y, it means 30 minus 17, 13. And when we substitute y equal 18, we will get x equal 30 minus y equal 13 minus 18 equal 12. So student, marks in mathematics is 13 and marks in English is 17. Or another option is marks in mathematics is 12, then marks in English will be 18. These are the two solutions. Question number 6 is the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Once again read the question, student. Here there is a rectangular field and diagonal is depending upon the shorter side, and its longer side is also depending upon shorter side. So first we will suppose this one is your rectangular field ABCD. Let the shorter side of the field is, it means here AB is x meter. Then according to question, its diagonal will be x plus 60. It is given that in the question 60 more than its shorter side, and the longer side will be x plus 30 meters. Again according to question, it is given that longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Now student, we will apply in this triangle ABC. Since ABC is a right angle triangle, so we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Yes, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is AC, it means AC square. Perpendicular is AB, it means AB square, and base is your BC, BC square. Now we will substitute the values of AC, AB and BC, and we will get x plus 60 whole square plus x square plus x plus 30 whole square. Now we will open this bracket by using the identity a plus b whole square, and that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we will get x square plus 120x plus 3600 equal x square plus 60x plus 900. Obviously from both sides this x square cancel with this x square, and we will get x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 equals to 0. Here we are shifting all the terms from left hand side to right hand side, and after simplification we will get x square minus 60x minus 2700 equals 0. Now again we will use here middle term split method for factorization, and middle term is minus 60, and this minus 60 we can break into two parts as minus 90x plus 30x, and then we will make groups and we will find x into x minus 90 plus 30 within bracket x minus 90 equals 0. Common factor is x minus 90 within bracket x plus 30 equals 0. Either x minus 90 equals 0, x equal 90, or x plus 30 equals 0, x equal minus 30. We will reject this solution, student, x equal minus 30, because x is the value of shorter side and side cannot be negative. So the smaller side is your 90 meter and the longer side will be x plus 30. It means 90 plus 30, which is equal to 120 meter.